Jakom maduol mar yiero pacho kae Wafula Chebukati oiko odiechieng' makawuono dala ne mantiere Sabatia Kiminini e kaunti ma Trans Nzoia. En nyasi mar kopo mogik manotim bang' siem manochiw kod piny owacho ne oganda mane chano yuoro e hikno kawuono mar neno ni Chebukati otimne kopo gi kwe. Sharon Ong'ao nitiere gi mathoth.
Jatend piny William Ruto notelone nyasi mar kopo mogik mar mane en jakom mar duol mochung'ne yiero pacho kae Wafula Chebukati. Mano ike dala ne mantiere Sabatia Kiminini e kaunti ma Trans Nzoia odiechieng' makawuono. Mosenindo Chebukati oyuag kaka wuoro manohero familiane, tugo tuke golf, kendo wuoro manohero kwe.
Your number one sport was golf. When I was 10 years old, I accompanied you to the golf course. I quickly took the golf and you said I was a natural. It became part of me. Your passion became mine. I had learned from the best.
Rest well, Dad. I will carry your lessons with me forever and keep your bullfighting hat safe. A symbol of the wisdom you wore so effortlessly, the strength you carried with quiet dignity, and the path that you charted for me to follow.
I will miss having you to speak with. I will miss your presence and your hugs. I will miss your witty sense of humor. I will miss discussing the law, politics, and international affairs with you.
Min ode Mary Chebukati, oyuago bugo modong godo bang' tho mar jaode. Komedo yuago seyo ma familia ne osebedo kayudo, kowuok moganda e mbui.
There's one thing Chairman said to us. Ignore those people. Just ignore them. They've killed him so many times. In fact, every time I get so many calls coming in, I know social media has killed my husband. So I just go cutting off and saying, he's okay, he's okay, he's okay. And everybody says, oh, thank God, we were actually inquiring, what is this we have read? So social media has really not been fair to us.
Jotelo mano yuoro nyasi no kotelnegi kod Jatend piny William Ruto oyuago Chebukati kaka jal mane jaratiro.
Wakati huyu mzee alikuwa anachukua decision ile ambayo alichukua, alijiangalia ndani na kusema wacha nifanye haki, nitakumbukwa siku moja kwa kusimama na haki. Na pengine hicho ni kielelezo kizuri ambaye ningependa sisi kama taifa, viongozi wale tuko hapa, tuweze kuiga mfano kama huo.
If Chebukati had not stood firm, not once, but 3 times in a row, then this country would have gone into chaos. So if we are sitting here in peace today, let us thank that gentleman who lies there today.
When the history of our country and our nation is written, Chebukati will not be a footnote. He will not be a paragraph. He will not be a chapter. There will be a whole book about Wafula Chebukati.
Josiasa bende notiyo gi thuolono mar pako Chebukati kaka thuona. Wirani lemo mane omako kaka jakom mar IEBC ne mano ma iye tek, kendo ne en mano mar rubi oganda kanyakla.
Some jobs are no ordinary tasks. They are a calling. They are a leap of faith. And many lives depend on those jobs. One such job is the job of being the chairperson of the IEBC.
Now, Wafula Chebukati goes down in history, Your Excellency, as the only IEBC chairman who presided over 3 presidential elections. I don't think anybody else will. And he was guided by a simple principle: fidelity to the law, fidelity to the constitution.
Chebukati manotiko tamare mar higini auchiel ka duol mar IEBC nowito ngimane chieng' tarik 21 mar dwe mar ariyo mar higane kanodhi nyime gido thieth e od thieth ma Nairobi. Oweyo chien nyithindo 3 kaachiel kod min ode Mary Chebukati. Sharon Ong'ao, Ramogi TV.
Erokamano Sharon Ong'ao kuom report machalo